So, good day everybody. Here's another one of my video journals, excuse me, art journals. I've decided to get back to doing the art journals because I really find that they help me get clarity about my day and they just make me feel good, you know. I don't know if you do that. Some people do it every night. I used to do it every day, every night actually, before bed. Just do a drawing. Sometimes just do one, and sometimes I would do 3, 4, 5 of them, you know. I just keep going like crazy. It's almost like you need to express what's inside of you at the time. And the best way to do it really as an artist is through artwork, regardless of the medium that you're using. So I'm just drawing a little dragonfly here. I've outlined it first with a really light coloured oil pastel just to see which way I'm going to go with it, and then just adding some colours to it. And I'm not really thinking. This is a thing that as an art therapist I've learned, is not to think or judge what you're doing. It's just doing it, or whatever, even if it's just a squiggle. You know, it's something that's telling you something about yourself. Because as an artist, you are creating whatever's within you, and it just comes out. And today you might have a really, really good day, and you'll create something amazing. And tomorrow you may have a bad day, and it will show in your artwork. So don't judge those days. Don't judge that. As artists, we're really quick to judge ourselves, but you really need to learn not to. Just go with it and learn from it. Look at your drawing or your painting and just find yourself in that painting. Find yourself in that drawing and see what you can do. Get clarity. It's absolutely amazing what you can see in your own artwork. And I get a little bit sad when people are criticizing their own work so harshly, you know. They say, I hate it, this and that. You can't hate your artwork. That means you hate yourself at that moment. Don't do it. Just love it. Appreciate what it's trying to tell you. Because when you put yourself in a like a meditative state, where you are here but you're really not here, your ego gets a little bit silenced. Allow the creativity to take place and learn from it, you know. Excuse me. So this is just a simple little drawing of a dragonfly. It has a huge meaning to me, because years and years ago I suffered, probably about 12 years ago, a condition which nobody could really figure out what it was, and I thought I was dying. And all it was, which was terrifying at the time, was just a really, really severe anxiety. And all I was doing, because I was working as an artist back then, was drawing dragonflies just out of the blue. I would just start drawing them and painting them, and then people would see my art and they would want to buy the paintings of my dragonflies, and it was just amazing. But I feel that these drawings really helped me kind of get out of my state that I was in at the time, you know. It was quite spiritual. It went on for a couple of years, and it felt like it was never going to end. But my little buddies, my little dragonflies, and I'm getting a little bit emotional just thinking about it now, they really helped me. They helped me fly out of there. So I hope everybody gets something out of this, and I'll see you again in another video.